you can't go into settings because you turned on motion detection. See, there's an icon, blue man. That means motion detection's on. So you have to turn off motion detection first. Firstly, press OK button to stop recording. Then go into menu setting very quickly. Choose motion detection. Turn it off. And go back to recording. Then finally it turns normal. No motion detection there.